Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this tutorial I will show you how to watch your OSO replays. First of all, get ahead and open OSO and log in your account and then click on play as you always do. Click on solo, and then as you can see from here there is the beat maps. Please make sure to choose the one that you have played this before. For example, let's choose this one. As you can see from here I have the replay. If you don't have it like in here, please check these settings in here. Please make sure that you are on the local ranking. If it doesn't shows up, that means that this level is not saved on your account, so you have to replay it and just go into it, try to complete it. For example, let's go back, let's go for a simple one that we can complete it very fast. Let's go with this one, and as you can see we have to complete it all just like so, and clicking on circles. I will make sure guys to put a video on how to play OSO correctly. I'm not that good of a player, but I achieved the 4-star mobs, and so I can give you some interesting notes about this game, like how to play faster, how to click faster, how to play using mouse and keyboard. All of these and more will be in the next tutorials, so make sure to watch this video, and after that check our channel for the other tutorials. Now, if after I finish this game I have of course to win it, you can't save this game without winning it, so you have to win it. So I'm trying here to win and hoping the map to end as soon as possible. So as you can see, I'm playing this game. Of course the sound is not available because of some copyright problems. We are trying to avoid them. That's why I'm playing also, or I'm recording this video without any music, and also but also is music, so yeah, only for video, only for this video I'm playing without any voice. As you can see now I finished. After that I will have here the mark and everything else, and now we can click on flashback, and from here I can watch my replay. So there is these two methods that you can watch your replays on OSO. The first one is just by heading into your maps and clicking on any map that you have finished before, and you will see your replays in here, or by playing it and clicking on flashbacks. So that was really the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.